If you want to add text in CapCut quickly and make your videos look more polished, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add text in CapCut step by step, even if you've never used the editor before. This is a super useful skill whether you're making YouTube videos, shorts, tutorials, reels, or simple social media edits. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project inside CapCut. If you already have a video timeline started, just click into that project so you can begin editing. Once your project is open, take a look at the timeline and find the exact point where you want your text to appear. This is important because the playhead controls where new elements get placed in the video. So move the playhead to the moment where you want the text to start showing on screen. Now, at the top panel in CapCut, click on the text. This opens the text tools, and from here, you'll see the option to add text. Click add text and then click the plus icon to insert it into your timeline. As soon as you do that, a text layer will appear in your project and you'll be able to start customizing it right away. Next, type your message into the text box. This could be a title, a caption, a label, a call out, or anything you want your viewers to read. Keep your text short and easy to understand if you want it to be clear and visually strong. Once your words are entered, you can start making it match your video style. On the right panel, CapCut gives you a bunch of editing options for your text. Here you can change the font, adjust the size, pick a different color, apply style changes, and choose the alignment. If you want your text to stand out more, try using bold styles or a larger font size. If you want it to feel more subtle, choose a simpler font and a clean color that fits your background. You can also use these controls to make your text easier to read. For example, if your video background is busy or colorful, a brighter text color or a stronger font can help improve visibility. If your video is more minimal, a clean and modern font might look better. Take a moment to test a few options until the text looks exactly how you want it. After that, click and drag the text directly on the preview screen to position it where you want it to appear. You can place it near the top, center, or bottom of the screen depending on your layout. A lot of creators place text near the lower third of the frame, but the best position really depends on your video and what else is happening on screen. And that's it. That's how to add text in CapCut. Once you know these basic steps, you can use text for titles, subtitles, emphasis, and all kinds of creative effects. It's one of the simplest ways to make your videos look more professional and easier to follow. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tutorials, and beginner-friendly how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.